First Place Fitness. We've just done Sassy Step, Choreo Block 1, complete breakdown and rebuild back up again. We're now going to do Block 2. Okay, so Block 2, come with me and let's break it down. You can follow along, learn, and we're going to build it back up again. Block 2 starts with a top rocking hamstring. So let's do this on the floor first of all. Step forward with the right foot, lift, left, and then step backwards. So we step forwards and lift, lift, bringing the heel up behind, step backwards, backwards, forwards, forwards, backwards, backwards. Okay, so that's the action, but we go on top of the step. Are you ready? In 3, in 2, in 1. Off we go. So we go up, top, top, down, down, lift, lift, and then we'll add the arms in that as well. So the arms swing from side to side. It's good to move this one. Works your core muscles. Lift, lift, and down. So we've got the rocking hamstring to start off with. Now, we're going to do right basic here, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then hold and march on the spot for me. Let's do 2 basics again here on the right hand side, 1 and 2, and march. Now that march turns into a walk over back. So we do 1, 2 basic steps here, and then walk straight over the top and back again. Okay, hold. So you carry on walking the same way. Let's do 2 basics, right side, and then walk straight over, carry on walking, carry on walking. And that's going to turn you this way. We have a stomp on the top floor, back, floor, top, floor, back. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and hold. Side leg raise, repeat to 3, lift 1, 2, 3, other side. That's it, side leg raise. You squeeze the glutes on the side leg raise, 1, 2, and 3, and hold. Okay, let's bring that together here on this side, and we are starting to create block 2. So we're up on the top here, we have a swing lift, down, 1 more time, swing lift. Now we go straight to the 2 basics here on the right hand side. That's it, and then walk straight over and back. Bring the stomp on top. Take it back and on, step down, 1 more. And side leg raise. We squeeze the glutes, lift arms out to side. 3, 2, 3, and again. 1, 2, 3, and down, and hold. Okay, let's do this on the other side. Other side. So we start here with the left leg, and we're up and rocking. Lift 1, lift 2, lift 3, that's it, and again. Lift 1, lift 2. 2 basics here, 1, 1. Then we walk straight over and back. Ready for the stomp on this side. Stomp, over, stomp, back, tap. Stomp, over, stomp, back, tap. 3 side leg raises. Sit, 3 sides. 1 more time. 1, 2, and 3, and hold. Okay, let's pop all of that together now for block 2. Right side, left side. Are you ready? In 3, in 2, and 1. Go. Uplift. We're swinging the arms here. That's it. And again. Then we do 2 basics here on the right. Arms come out. And we're walking this straight over here. And you can do a rotation. And down. On, off, on, stop back. And again. 5. Okay, you ready for the side leg raises? 1, 2, and again, if you want, you can pop a little jump into there, just to take the heart rate up higher. We're going to get ready to go straight into it on this side now. Lift 1, lift 2, lift 3, lift 4, and lift, and lift. Okay, ready for the 2 basics. Arms come out, and we're walking all the way over. If you want, you can take the arms over, and we're stopping on. This is on and off. 1 more time. On and side 3. 1, 2, 3. Lift 1, lift 2. Last one. And 3. Yes. Woo! Good job, everyone. Okay, tune in for part 3.